All right, come on in.
It's a little bit different layout than normal. When you first walk in, you'll see that the bed is right in line sight of the doorway, which is odd, but we had a guaranteed room, which means that Holland America picked our room for us. So here's what we got.
It is kind of nice the way they got the TV laid out.
Yeah.
You know,
TV
lay in
right
bed,
here.
watch TV. This room doesn't have a couch.
Over here on the side of the bed, you'll have a nightstand with 2 drawers, and then they do have an outlet and a USB over here, as well as a reading light and your auxiliary light. And then the other side of the bed has the same thing.
Plus the phone.
And the phone is over here.
In case you meet new friends and need to call them.
And the phone is over here next to the bed as well, instead of on the desk. A little different. And then over here on the bed, we also have, they gave us a list for laundry services. You can get your clothes washed and folded by the bag for about $30. And then there's other services available as well. And then they left this just for us. Was it just for us?
Just for us?
Only us, apparently.
Only us. Only us get...
What do we get? Do you want the bed separated? Extra blankets, extra towels, bathrobes, ice in the morning. Ice in the morning would be kind of cool.
Yeah.
So
it's like a steward menu.
yeah, it's a little checkoff list for them.
I don't recall seeing that before. That's kind of cool.
That is kind of cool. So yeah, nice to have. Over here at the desk, you have a lot of outlets. As you can see, we've got 1, 2, 3 regular AC outlets, and then we've got 2 European, and then even a USB. So lots of outlets on this ship. Down here, you have a seat along with storage underneath there. And then we've got 3 drawers, 1, 2, 3. You know, this is your mirror drawer and hair dryer. We've got storage here, and then one down below. Over here, we've got a little kind of mini bar, and then some mini bar snacks. We will not touch those. Up here, it's your wine glasses. And there's also a little shelf up here if you really wanted to put some stuff up. And then down the hallway, we have a lot of cabinets areas. We got your safe right here and another shelf.
Conveniently at eye level.
Yeah. And then this is your fridge. And it's stocked, but we won't touch that. We have it all package, which includes a drink package, but it's a base drink package, and I don't know if that's all included or not, so we'll just leave that as what it is. And then you got 3 large drawers down here as well. We'll shut that, and then we'll take a look at the closets. Closet-wise, you have a large shelf down here, and then a lot of hangers. And then over on this side here, more hangers for like shirts and so on. And then they do have also your life vest are at the very bottom down there. And then 1, 2, and then this shelf here. We do have robes, it looks like, which is kind of nice.
We had those in Alaska.
And then these little hooks for ties, or I don't know what else you would put on there.
Belts?
Belts, maybe. Yeah, kind of cool. Your bathroom is pretty nice. I'm kind of loving this bathroom. Nice lighted mirror. You got 3 shelves for your bathroom accessories, and then very well appointed, actually. And then the thing I like the best out of this is look at this shower.
It's huge.
It is a huge shower. Glass door. That is just a really, really nice shower. This is quite the step up. We leveled up, babe.
Cool.
We leveled up.
All right. Pro tip. Most of these newer ships, you've got this thing for your lights. We bring a card from a previous cruise and keep it in there. That way the air conditioning will be going, keep you cool when you're out of the room, or if you need to charge something while you go to breakfast. Keep those extra cards. Sorry, MSC.
So yeah, it's a king size bed. Nice layout overall. It's just a little bit different, but hey, it works.